Students, Assalamu alaikum. Botany, second year science, lecture number 8, chapter number 2, from page number 37 to 45, support and movement. Now you will study page number 37, concept and need. Students, support and movement are two different words. First, we will discuss about support. All organisms need a system of support to overcome the pull of gravity to maintain balance on earth. In animals, a specialized support system, skeletal system, is present. In land plants, many support systems are present, but they are not called skeletal system support. It is not present in them. Skeletal system is not present in plants. Rigid xylem is present to provide support in plants to keep their stem erect. In herbaceous plants, turgidity, which is due to the presence of water inside the cells, provides support. Tough cellulose cell wall is another type of support in plants. Support is needed by the land plants as well as aquatic organisms. यानी प्लांट्स में रिजिड जाइलम की वजह से सपोर्ट मिलती है क्योंकि जाइलम बहुत हार्ड होते हैं, हार्ड सेल्स होते हैं और स्टेम को इरेक्ट रखने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करते हैं. प्लांट्स में जब सारे टिश्यूज़ में वाटर फिल्ड होता है तो इस कंडीशन को टर्जिडिटी कहा जाता है और ये प्लांट्स को सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करती है. यानी टर्जिडिटी प्लांट्स को सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करती है. इन एनिमल्स मसल्स, cartilage and bones provide structural support to them. They also have internal and external skeleton. Animals और plant में support के लिए अलग अलग तरह के structures हैं. Now we come to movement. In animals, locomotion occur for different purpose like food, reproduction, and to prevent from predators. Whole organism or body parts move by locomotion. In animals, a proper nervous system and hormonal system is present, but in plants, movement entirely depend on animals coordination. यानी प्लांट्स में ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स होते हैं जिसकी वजह से प्लांट के अंदर ग्रोथ होती है. And plant shows very slight movements, very slow movements. We cannot directly observe them. In plants, growth movements takes place and growth causes movement in different organs of the plant. Plants में movement ज़्यादातर growth से related होती है इसलिए उनको directly observe करना बहुत difficult होता है. और for example, opening of flowers, closing of flower, opening of birds, growth of the root and shoot, etc. And we can observe it with the help of some object, but we cannot directly observe their growth